Job bidding is a process that is used in highly unionized environments for companies to recruit their applicants based on seniority rules. Now, this can be done at multiple levels. It can be done at a department level or specific union, or sometimes it can be a mass bidding process. Companies also need to look for the rules that are defined in the CBA for each union to make sure that they're following those rules correctly. And sometimes when the job, after a certain period of time, which is a bidding period, could be 5 days or 6 days, once the bidding period is over, there are default rules that need to be applied. For example, the companies are then allowed to search for applicants outside of the bidding criteria. They can open up this bid to the rest of the organization, or they can even open it up to the external applicants. So there are many rules that they need to consider. In addition, there are interdepartmental bids that take place, and how these interdepartmental bids that take place also have very specific seniority rules that need to be applied. Finally, another thing that companies need to look for is the changes once the bid goes through and the bidding sheet is posted and the applicants have been qualified. The changes that need to take place within their organizational hierarchy, the employee master record, whether it's in SuccessFactors or HR on-prem, or even payroll changes that need to go post in HR on-prem, are also things that need to be considered. So because of this bidding process is so specific to unions and their CBAs, we have included this as part of our labor relations software. And this was one of the updates that we had promised for Q2, and we actually launched a very basic portal in Q2. And as we started to work with customers, we were able to build an entire library of rule engine that is based on different seniority levels. Now in Q4, we are actually starting to implement this solution with our customers. And there are many things that we are considering in doing so, especially around their process of the bidding, and especially around the ease of adding more rules or changing existing rules. And then finally, the notification process, which currently companies are using their bulletin boards to do that. So the notification process has to be something that the unions are very comfortable with.